The next Elon Musk could be a 15-year-old kid.
ممكن نشرب
The next The next Elon Musk could يا حبيبتي The next Elon Musk could be a 15-year-old learning to code right now. Are we giving them a fair shot? I am Abdurrahman Al-Gammal, CEO of Gammal Tech. Today is World Youth Skills Day, and I want everyone to see the spark in our young people. They are creative, resourceful, and hungry to build something better. With the right training, especially in digital skills, they can change our future faster than any generation before. That's why we must invest in coding programs, mentorship, and accessible tech education. When youth find their passion in STEM, they invent apps that feed families, websites that connect communities, and create solutions we haven't even thought about. So if you know a young person with big dreams, cheer them on. Give them the tools to thrive, because their success story could inspire the whole world.